Check it out. Here is the crab. Oh yeah. Check out these guys. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the weather seems to be too hot. That's why we decided, me and my friend decided to go to fishing. So now here I am here in the river. So our plan is very simple. We will go through this river, or we will follow this river. And when we reach our paddy field, we are going to do fishing at our fishery. So this video is going to be interesting, fun, and adventurous. As you can see, now I am here in this river called Mondol. So let's get ready, guys. First we need to prepare our hook. We are ready. Let's go, guys. Guys, look at the freshness of this river. So fresh. And now we catch this much. Did you see that? Let me show you one thing. Oh my god. It's stuck here. Can you see it? One? Lol. Check it out. Here is the crab. You see it? Let's go, guys. The way is tough. Okay, let's go. Oh, got it, guys. We got another one. Let's check what is this. Ooh, not bad. This much till now we catch. And guys, now finally we reach our paddy field. As you can see, look at the scenario. Oh my god, it's so green and fresh. And there is the fishery. And it's going to be rain. It's going to be good rain. So let's see how many we could catch from our fishery itself. Let's go, guys. Wish me good luck. Let's go. Check out these guys. It's going to be tasty. And guys, after having a nice lunch, mume tamul along with lal cha in a cup of bamboo. This is called Manjani life. Oh, itna ram, guys.